The Fermanagh businessman, Kevin Lunney, has said he and his family will live with the physical scars and mental trauma of his kidnapping forever. Mr. Lunney, 51, a director of Quinn Industrial Holdings, was kidnapped outside his home in September 2019. He was driven across the border to a farm where he was attacked, tortured, and told to resign from his job. 3 men were found guilty of falsely imprisoning and intentionally causing harm to Mr. Lunney earlier this month. They appeared at the Special Criminal Court in Dublin for a sentencing hearing. A man, referred to as YZ for legal reasons, drove the car involved in the kidnapping and inflicted most of the injuries on Mr. Lunney. The court was told he had 180 previous convictions. Alan O'Brien, 40, of Shelmalier Road, East Wall, Dublin, and Darren Redmond, 27, from Caledon Road, East Wall, Dublin, were said to have played lesser roles. Events like this can never be erased. Mr. Lunney was in court alongside other senior directors. In the statement, Mr. Lunney said, "I know the physical scars and mental trauma will remain with me and my family for the rest of our lives." He said while the immediate terror has been put behind them, he said events like this can never be erased. He paid tribute to his work colleagues and members of the community for the affirming experience of a solidarity march held after his abduction, which called for an end to the reign of terror. He said, "I do not know the reason why the defendants decided to do what they did," but added he was saddened on a human level that they have ruined their own lives. "There will never be a place in our community for violence or intimidation," he added. He also thanked the man who found him lying by the roadside and others who, he said, had saved his life, doing the dirty work. A defense lawyer said the purpose of the abduction was to remove people legitimately in the company to create vacancies for others.